Look at my people's new crib. Another beautiful Texas home. Huh. Let's check out the scenery. Hello, family. Hello, hello. My family just moved out here from California. Ooh, look at it. This is definitely the dining room, huh? The dining room.
No, the office.
It's the office area? Ooh, that's nice. Yep. You know, I gotta throw a little trick question in there. Washer, dryer, coat rack. Very nice. Very essential. It has a lot of space. This reminds me of one of the homes I looked at. Oh. Like this vinyl. Ooh. Look at it. Nice little good backyard. Probably about 0.3 acre. 0.4. Oh, yeah, the upstairs too. Fortress, solitude.
Why are you running?
Little place where they can store some stuff, store some storage. Nice little place, store some storage, man. Another closet set, another room. Okay, here I come. It's a nice little crib, man. Nice little rug stairs. I will be careful coming up the stairs. Say hello, son.
Hey.
It's my oldest son, Kyle. Look at the loft area. It's a nice little feng shui up in here.
And come check in the room.
Let's check out the room.
And there's a closet here.
There's a closet.
Oh my God! Wow!
I like this closet, man. Do you like it?
Yeah.
I like it too. This is their upstairs room. This is where you guys would be staying and locating.
Oh, you guys there?
Yes, sir. You want to stay downstairs?
That has a lot of mirrors.
Store your soaps.
I'm gonna show you.
Okay, show me. Locate me in the right direction, son.
We would like to go to sleep. Where we want to go over this here.
This where we gonna sleep at?
Yeah, this is where we live. Here.
Okay, in this room?
Yep. The TV's gonna be right here. The bed's gonna be right here. Like that.
I like your imagination, son. I like it. It's a good thought process. We're here. I got you. Master bed. Definitely looks like one of the rooms or the rooms. One of the houses I checked out. Can you give me your hotspot? Yes, ma'am. I got you.
I'm not scared of upstairs now.
You know? Great.
Got another. This is definitely the male closet, and that's the female closet
No, it's
over
not.
there.
That's the female closet.
Oh, is it? Man,
Totally.
females all like all the wives and all the moms. They want this closet right here because they want the shoes. They want the dresses. They got dresses, shoes, and all types of deals that they need to put and establish up in here. They got a painting right there of just them, a mural of them, and then everything else. And then the bathroom, a beautiful, beautiful bathroom. Very nice Texas home. Yes. So, Pops.
Yes, sir.
So, I wanted to ask the new people that are coming out here from California, they're interested in seeing new homes like this. So, how was the process of, you did a residential lease?
Yes.
Okay, so how was the process of getting that started?
It was a smooth transition. Renting properties is a unique animal in itself. Not used to renting, used to owning, but came out here temporarily. The renting process was very smooth, to be honest with you. All automated. Credit checks, background checks, deposits, interaction via internet with the landlord. It was really smooth. And then, of course, had you to come by and check it out since we wasn't physically on site. But pretty good transition.
Lovely. Yes. This is the life and how has your experience been in Texas?
So far, so good. But we just got here, so officially our first day, and we're looking forward to, the adventure that God has us on, being out here. So excited, looking forward to it, and also watching this guy grow, mature, and develop
Demands.
into the real estate tycoon that's in his heart to be. Yes. Yes.
Cheers.
Cheers.